Hello everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. So today we are going to discuss on the topic project. So the question arises, what is project? So the project is a process and the facility of planning, organizing, coordinating, controlling resource of a specific goal as the process takes the transportation importance of a concept through the construction. So this is called a project. So now I will explain the topic of project as an example. So we are taking the example of a traffic. So the traffic construction is like this. This is a road and the traffic is there on the road. So it will take a maximum time to pass the lights from here to go here, as there is also some sort of traffic also. So as here and as per here also. So the vehicles will take as maximum time from going from here and to reaching till here. So there is a very big disadvantage to the vehicles, to the energy and to the petrol also. There is a loss of petrol, the life of vehicle and the efforts and time. So to overcome this thing, we will maintain a overbridge over here. So this will help us to reduce the time, because when the traffic is going from here to here, it will find very difficult way to overcross this bridge. So we have constructed a bridge over here which will reduce our petrol, life of vehicle, efforts and time. So managing a long term in a short term is known as project. So it is helpful for the normal peoples also, helpful for the government also, and for the simple ordinary peoples, because if the time will be less, we will be arriving our situations on the time, and efforts of making the pupil will be less, and the life of vehicle will be more, and the petrol capacity will also be lesser. So this is the meaning of project. So thanks for watching the session. So now we will meet in our next session with some new idea and with a new topic. Thank you.